Hi friends, welcome to Aditi food channel. I am SUJATHA SHIVASHANKar. Today I am going to show you how to make Rasmalai.
To make Rasmalai, let's boil 1 liter of full fat milk. The milk is boiling. Add juice of 2 lemons. The milk curdles. Now keep a strainer over the vessel. Place the muslin cloth over that. Strain all the excess water by pouring it over the muslin cloth. Wash it with cold water to remove the lemony flavor. Squeeze all the water and tie the muslin cloth. Let it drip for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we have the chhena, that's the Indian cottage cheese, ready. Knead the chhena for about 10 minutes until there are no granules. Knead the chhena to the smooth, soft dough like this without any granules. Now divide the chhena preparation into small portions like this. Take a small portion of the chhena and roll it between your palms into small sized balls and flatten it to prepare the chhena patty. Keep it aside. All the chhena patties are done. Keep it aside. Heat a vessel and add 200 gram of sugar to it. Add 3 cups of water to it. Sugar dissolves completely. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. Now the sugar syrup is boiling. Add the chhena patties one by one gently into the sugar syrup. Let it boil for about 15 minutes. Close the lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes. The patties are getting cooked. Gently flip over. The chhena patties are cooked completely for about 15 minutes on high flame. They have doubled in size. Now take them gently and transfer it to chilled water. Add some sugar syrup to stabilize it. Keep it aside for some time. Prepare the rabdi. Heat about half liter of milk. The milk thickens as it boils. 100 gram of sugar to it. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add 3 tablespoons of kesar milk or the saffron milk. Add some sliced pistachio and almonds. Take the cooked chhena patties and squeeze. Remove the excess water and place it in another bowl. Transfer the rabdi over the rasmalais. Refrigerate the rasmalais for about 6 to 8 hours. We have to serve it chilled. Rasmalai with rabdi is chilled. Please try our rasmalai recipe at your home. Share your comments. Like, subscribe to Aditi food channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.